In this video, I am going to explain about linear equations in two variables. Two variables means x and y. What do you mean by a linear equation? An equation having degree 1 and is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, or else you can write it as ax plus by equal to minus c, where a, b, c are real numbers or constants, a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0, x and y are the variables is called a linear equation in two variables. For example, 3x plus 5y minus 11 is equal to 0. It is of the form ax plus by minus c is equal to 0. Here c can be plus or minus c. Then 2x minus 6y is equal to 7. Then these like statement questions also you can expect. For example, cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. You have given two things, notebook cost and pen cost. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. So, if you have two things in your hand, you have to put x and y. So, you can put cost of a notebook as rupees x and cost of a pen as rupees y. Here it is given that cost of a notebook is, that is x is equal to twice the cost of a pen, 2 into y. Then second question. Write each of the following equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. Here you have to write all these equations in a general format ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And you have to indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. First question, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Here you can bring this 4 into LHS side so that you can write it as 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Here it is clearly specified that x plus by is plus c is equal to 0. Here a is given as 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 4. Second question, 5y is equal to x. Your general format is x plus by plus c is equal to 0. So, you have to put this x first. So, bringing this x to this side will give you minus x, then plus 5y is equal to 0. There is no constant term in this question. So, a is equal to minus 1, b equal to 5 and c is equal to 0. Then your third question. Write each of the following equation in two variables. Your two variables are x and y. So, you have to write each of these equations in x and y. So, first question, y is equal to 2. Here x term is absent. So, you can put it as 0x plus coefficient of y is 1. So, 1y, then constant term is c is equal to 2. That 2 bring into this side. So, 1y minus 2 is equal to 0. Then, second question, 2x is equal to 3. Here, y term is absent. So, you can write it as 2x plus 0y, bringing this constant to this side, minus 3 is equal to 0. Then, minus 3x is equal to 1. Here also, y term is absent. So, you can write it as minus 3x plus 0y minus 1 is equal to 0. Then, solutions of a linear equation in two variables. Let ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where this a, b, c are elements of real numbers, a not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0, then any pair of values of x and y satisfies the equation ax plus by equal to plus c is equal to 0. that is for which both sides of the equation are equal is called a solution of the equation. So, a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. So, there are infinite solutions of an equation x plus by plus c is equal to 0. And every ordered pair xy which is a point on the graph x plus by plus c is equal to 0 is its solution. So, what about the graph of every linear equation in two variables? The graph of linear equation in two variables is always a straight line. And there are infinitely many solutions for a linear equation in two variables. So, let's see this by means of examples. First, find out which of the following equations have x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 as a solution. That means you have given a question, you have to put value of x as 2 and y as 1. If you got the answer and your RHS side is same, then you can state that this x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of that particular equation. First question, 2x plus 5y is equal to 9. So, you have to substitute, instead of x you have to substitute 2 and instead of y you have to substitute 1. That is 2 multiplied by 2 plus 5 into 1 is equal to 4 plus 5 which is equal to 9. This 9 and this RHS 9 is same. So, you can state that this x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of this particular equation. Then second question, 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. Here also you have to substitute, instead of x 2 and y 1. So, 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1 is equal to 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. This 1 is equal to this one. So, LHS is equal to RHS. So, you can state that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of this equation also. Then third one, x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Here from the question itself you can identify that LHS and RHS are not equal, because here all terms are plus and you have to put, instead of x you have to put 2 and instead of y you have to put 1. So, 2 plus 1 plus 4 which is equal to 7. That 7 is not equal to 0. So, LHS not equal to RHS. So, this x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is not a solution of this particular equation. Then, write 4 solutions for each of the following equation. Here, question 2x plus y equal to 7. Here you can write, first you have to find out the value of y. So, y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Then you can put any value of x and you can find the value of y based on that. That's why I have stated that a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. So, here you can put x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 or any value, and based on those x values you can find out the value of y. So, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 0. Instead of x, you have to put that x value. You will be getting one solution. Then when x is equal to 1, you will be getting another solution. Then you can put when x is equal to minus 1, you can put x is equal to 2, or else you can put x is equal to minus 2, and you can find infinitely many solutions for this equation. Then, find the value of a so that each of the following equations may have x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to 1 as a solution. Here in this question you have to find out the value of a based on this x and y. So these type of questions you can expect for board exam. First question, minus 5x plus 2ay equal to minus 8. So, instead of this x, you have to put minus 4, and instead of y, you have to put 1. So, minus 5 into minus 4 plus 2a into 1 equal to minus 8. So minus 4 into minus 5, which is equal to 20. 2a into 1 is plus 2a equal to minus 8. Then bringing this 20 to this side, 8 minus 20, that is minus 28. 2a is equal to minus 28. A is equal to minus 28 by 2, which is equal to minus 14. So your value of a for the first equation is minus 14. Then for second question, 3ax minus 7y equal to 5. X is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to 1. Putting those values in this equation, you will be getting a value as minus 1. You have to solve as many problems like this. Hope you have understood my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and share it with your friends. Thank you.